Let's make vegan, gluten-free, honey chamomile olive oil cake with honeyed strawberries and honey lemon ricotta cream. Here's how. You will need 2 cups 1-to-1 gluten-free flour blend, ½ cup almond flour, 2/3 cup olive oil, 1 cup lemon juice, 3 tablespoons lemon zest, 1/3 cup plant milk, 6 bags chamomile tea, 1½ teaspoon almond extract, 3/4 cup vegan sugar, 2 tablespoons baking powder and ½ teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon apple cider vinegar, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 2/3 cup vegan honey, 2 cups vegan ricotta cheese, and 2 cups sliced fresh strawberries. Preheat oven to 350. Pour the plant milk into a pan and gently warm through without letting it boil. Remove from heat. Add 4 chamomile bags and let steep for 10 minutes to infuse. In a bowl, whisk together the olive oil, two-third cup of the lemon juice, vinegar, almond extract, honey. I'm using the strawberry chamomile honey you'll see in the next steps, which you can make beforehand, and sugar until smooth. Stir in the chamomile infused milk, add the flour, almond flour, baking powder and baking soda, and salt. Mix until smooth, being careful not to overmix or the cake will be more dense. Grease and lightly flour a 9-inch circle pan and pour in batter. Spread evenly and bake for 40 to 45 minutes or until golden brown. Meanwhile, make the strawberries. Bring the honey to a low boil in a small saucepan, simmer 1 minute, and remove from heat. Add the tea bags, cover and steep for 10 minutes. Remove the tea bags and add the strawberries. Toss to combine. I left the leaves on some to add more color and the essence of springtime, and the excess honey from this is what you saw me use in the cake mix if you make the strawberries in advance. So pretty, so delicious. Look at how the honey is coating the strawberries. Gorgeous, so vibrant. It's going to look beautiful on the cake. Okay, place the ricotta in the bowl of a food processor and pulse until smooth and creamy, about 2 to 3 minutes. Add the honey, and pulse to combine. Add ½ tablespoon lemon zest and pulse again. Stir in another ½ tablespoon lemon zest and combine well, stirring until it's fully mixed in. This will look very pretty in the final design. Once you've combined it, taste the cream and add more honey if you prefer it sweeter. This sweetness is perfect for my taste. Remove the cake from the oven and allow to cool for 10 minutes in the pan. Then run a butter knife along the edges to loosen it and prevent cracking. Then, carefully flip over onto a plate to cool fully. Ta-da! This looks so delicious I almost don't want to ice it. Ice with the ricotta cream. This makes a lot, so you can ice it generously or save some cream to dollop on individual servings. You see the pretty speckles of lemon zest? Gorgeous. Top with honeyed strawberries, arranging them according to whatever seems pleasing to you. Sprinkle on the remaining lemon zest and decorate with edible flowers. And voila! Slice. And plate. You see the beautiful texture? Drizzle more chamomile strawberry honey. And enjoy. Out of this world. And of course, with a glass of vegan Prosecco. Happy birthday. Let me know if you enjoyed this recipe. Post your photos and videos on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, or TikTok and tag Lucia's Vegan Lifestyle. Watch Lucia's Vegan Lifestyle to live your best vegan life. Subscribe to the Lucia's Vegan Lifestyle YouTube channel to catch up on all episodes, and follow on social media for exclusives and to find out what's airing next. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, be sure to hit the subscribe button to help me keep this show going. And if you enjoyed this episode, like and share it, because it really does help support me making this show, which helps people go vegan and stay vegan. Tap on notifications to be the first to know when a new episode or content drops. Level up with LVL and live your best vegan life. Thank you for joining me on this episode of Lucia's Vegan Lifestyle, your show for compassionate living without sacrifice. I'm Lucia, I'm vegan, and this is my lifestyle.